Because I think, here, try this one.
Let me see.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat Reviews. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a pancake mix that you probably have never heard of before. So, Vicky's Cakes, and we also want to thank them also for sending us their product for us to try it out. This is our first time trying out Vicky's Cakes.
And what are those flavors, Alex?
We have the original recipe, we have their chocolate, their blueberry, and of course their pecans. So I can't wait to try this out. Also, they send us these rings.
I was wondering what this is for.
These are to make pancakes, bro. So they come out perfect. Because I seen the video that Christian did about making pancakes. By the way, if you want to check it out, we're gonna leave a link down below.
Who is Christian again?
Christian is the daughter of Vicky.
I think they want to know that.
Yeah, so Vicky's Cakes started over 40 years ago. She was a single mom of 4 who decided that she needed to put food on the table for their kids. This is Vicky right here. And she decided that she wanted to put food on the table for their kids. Until today, that recipe is still a secret.
Sorry guys, we can't tell you.
We can't tell you because we don't know. We're not in yet, but hopefully we will be soon. So a couple of things that I wanted to mention. If you are a vegan-friendly person, this recipe has a vegan-friendly option. It's just a few variations in the addition of dairy products or not. So in the back, you will see that all the ingredients and everything is included there. All you need to do is follow the instructions that are here and you're gonna have great pancakes.
All right guys, so before we move on, we want to let you know that you guys can find this packs between $4.99 and $5.99. They do have combinations.
Yeah, so if you wanna buy a couple, you wanna save a couple of bucks, it's a good way to do that. We're gonna do the traditional pancakes using the rings that they send us, and we're also going to try and make waffles.
Let's get the ingredients and let's get started on making some Vicky's Cakes.
Pancakes and waffles.
All right guys, so what are the ingredients we're gonna need today? First, we're gonna need 1 bag of Vicky's Cakes, of course. All right, we're gonna need 4 teaspoons of vanilla flavor.
Okay, vanilla flavor.
1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You're gonna need cooking oil
right here.
3 tablespoons of water. 1 egg.
Ta-da.
3/4 cup of milk. And finally, 1/4 cup of buttermilk.
Buttermilk. This is gonna be what makes these pancakes fluffy and good. We noticed that, and we probably wanna ask Vicky, some of these ingredients, or the chocolate chip one, it's not a vegan option. Vicky, please feel free to leave a comment down below for our viewers. Yeah. And these actually have replacements for some of these in order to make them a vegan option.
So for vegan buttermilk, you use 1 mixed cup of soy milk and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, that replaces, you know, these items here, which will make it vegan option. So we're gonna go with the full-fledged one now. We'll make another video about testing their vegan options.
So now that we have all our ingredients in there, Alex's handy hand work,
let's go make these cakes.
All right guys, so we're now in the kitchen and we're about to cook the pancakes.
We're gonna try one with and without the rings because, you know, I wanna see how perfect they're going to be. So Vicky's Cake, thank you for sending this, and we'll tell you how it works.
All right, let's get into that stove and let's see what happens.
Let's add that butter. So I'm gonna add this here. So we're gonna pour the batter in.
Wow,
oh,
that looks nice.
No mess.
You know, I like that because I'm not really handy with stuff, but...
Oh, I messed it up because I lifted it.
Yeah,
sorry.
You're not supposed to.
All right. Okay. All right, let's see.
It's thick, I can tell you that much, but...
It is a nice, thick, look at this one. It's getting really filled up and fluffy. This one too. So I remember when I was watching Christian do a video, she said you gotta wait for the bubbles to come up. Once you see the bubbles up,
then you know it's ready.
Yeah, that was cool. I never knew that. This is like a mad experiment. Look at this. This is rising all the way up to the top. Maybe I went a little overboard adding the content, but I do have to say I love the fact that this thing is like going up. So let me just take it out right now. Whoa! That is so cool. I don't think I've ever made a perfect pancake. I'm ready to flip it.
He's ready to flip.
Oh, look at this. Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Wait, that one you should leave a little more.
No, I don't think so. They're ready to flip. You were probably right. Yeah.
I'm usually right.
I love that crust. That crust here.
Thank God we're not a cooking channel. All right, guys, so now we're gonna start with the waffle maker, and we have our ingredients right here.
So we're gonna wing it, you know, that's how we do it here at TeamKLoWhat. So we're gonna set the crux to a temperature of 3 because we wanna make sure that we get in between brownness.
All right, so basically we have our consistency, which is pretty decent.
Yeah.
For waffle. All right, so the pancakes are out. We are ready to go. We got a nice color, nice consistency. I can't wait to taste it.
And let's open it up. Oh.
Wow. Looks like we could go a little more.
You want to go a little more?
No, I think it's fine. I think we're good there.
All right, you good? Okay, so.
All right, Vicky. So here we are. We have the waffles and the pancakes. And let's see, and they're regular flavor. This is not the vegan one.
No, we're gonna do a taste test without any syrup and then with syrup.
Yes, I'll take one. Here you go.
Okay.
And I'll take one. Salud.
Salute. Let's see.
Not bad.
Did yours have a, well, maybe, let me see. Because I think, here, try this one.
Let me see.
I think this one, did you taste that the outside crispiness but inside is fluffy?
Yeah. This is crunchier. So this is the one that we made in the ring, and it's fluffy. They're fluffier pancakes.
I love that.
You like the fluffiness of the ring. I like the crunchiness of the pancake.
So here it is. Recommendation. If you are gonna use the ring, pour less batter in because it rises.
It really does.
So the first taste test is without any
Syrup.
All right, let's see. Oh my God. If you like that extra crunchiness, the waffle is gonna help.
I taste a little bit of sugar in it, so you really don't need syrup on it if you don't want. You could just eat it as a snack.
You don't need sugar for this. You know, now that you mention it, it may come from the vanilla.
True. You just gave out her secret! Oh no!
No, that's not Vicky's secret. Let's get a little bit of syrup on it. All right, so we're gonna pour the light syrup on this.
Let's first taste the pancake.
So we're gonna do the regular one that we made, not the one with the ring.
I like the crunchiness of the pancake because it has a little crunchy outside and it's got some fluff inside that gives you that crunch yet soft.
I'm gonna go with you on this one.
All right, so now we're tasting the
waffles with syrup.
Wow.
I don't know if you hear it on the camera.
Wow.
The crunchiness.
So, if you haven't heard of Vicky's Cakes, you have heard it through our mouths today.
Wow.
What do I think about Vicky's Cakes? I think it has great texture, great taste. As a parent, I know my kids will love it. So I actually give a great rating for this.
Yeah, I mean, it does say that you can get between about 10 pancakes. So based on my pour, probably not.
Yeah, his pour was like this much.
So Vicky's cakes, you get a thumbs up from me. So I love breakfast. They say breakfast is the first meal you should have. And this is something that will definitely bring me back. They are a minority owned business. I'm all about supporting, you know, our community. So if you would like to check out their product, if you'd like to check them out, this is not a sponsor paid video. They simply send us a product for an honest taste test, and honestly,
they've passed. Vicky's Cakes, thumbs up. You're doing a great job. Your mother did a great job, and you continue to do a great job with the product. Thank you so much for this. I was supposed to enjoy it with him. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Let us know in the comments below if you have ever tried Vicky's Cakes and what kind of variations of them have you tried before. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. And we're gonna leave a link down below to Vicky's Cakes website so you can check out their products. All right, so we'll see you
on the next one. TeamKLoWhat. Where's my pancake? You gotta make me another one because you ate that.
Yeah,
I wanted that piece.
There's still some battery.
I wanted that piece.
That was a good piece though.